Alright, so in this video we're going to show you a really quick trick to put something big in the back of a JK that has a soft top on it. You're basically going to want to start by undoing the zipper on both sides of the rear window up to the 90-degree angle, and then pulling out the tailgate bar, and then flipping the tailgate bar on top of the window. And you can slide wherever you want right in the back, and then do the reverse, zip up the windows and tuck the tailgate bar back in.